Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about prepping for strange weather phenomenons, or I just want to call it strange weather preps. I really should have gotten back into this and put this one out about 2 months ago, but hey, I didn't have my crystal ball out. I couldn't see what was coming this way. As most of you know, the nation's been hit by some extreme cold weather. Some areas back in Tennessee and Kentucky are 40 degrees below normal. I know here in Idaho, the temperatures we're getting right now, we usually don't get until January, till after the new year. And we're getting them, they started in before Halloween, and they're working their way on up now towards Thanksgiving. Now, generally, we don't get below zero weather until after the new year. So that's just one aspect of strange weather phenomenon. It could be just the opposite. It could be scalding hot heat, unusual temperatures and stuff. I know that one of my friends, Courtney over at White Family Farm, was experiencing really warm weather up until a week ago. And usually they have snow. So strange weather happens all the time. You could have high winds, dry spells, wet spells, cold, heat, any type of weather you can think about can be a strange weather phenomenon, and it can happen at any time. And so you really need to be prepared for the possibility of it happening at any time, anywhere, whatever, because Mother Nature doesn't give you a solid warning saying, all right, next week I'm bringing in the 120 degree weather in the middle of November. So anyways, think about it. Plan out your responses to weird weather phenomenon. Okay. And as always, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, skills, medicines, equipment. All right. And I'll see you around. Take care.